Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use Formaloo. So Formaloo supercharges your business with beautiful AI powered forms, smart docs, e-signatures, and powerful workflows. So as you can see right here, these are the examples. So here are the AI surveys, quizzes and forms, custom CRMs, smart dashboards, client portals, and HR portals right here. So first is we need to create our account. So if you already have an account, you could skip this part. But for me, I'm going to create my account right here by clicking on create a free account or click on sign up here on the top right. Then wait for it to load. So you could either sign up with your Google account or just by simply inputting your email address or the email address that you use. For me, I'm going to go with the Google account. So once you're done signing up, you will be brought right here. So you will need to input your name. So I'm going to put mine right here and click on continue. And here you could input your workspace name. So I'm going to name it test for this video. Click on continue. And you could also change the name for your web address that will be created for you. So I'm just going to leave it at that. Click on continue. And here, how are you planning to use Formaloo? So you could do it for education, HR and legal, customer service, engineering, finance, IT and support, manufacturing, marketing, operations, product and design, sales and account management, or others, or personal right here. So for me, let's say I'm going to use it for education. I'm going to click on education and click on continue. You could also skip this part if you want, but for me, I'm going to choose education. And as you can see right here, all set, your account is ready. So now there are templates that will be shown to you. So here's the project upload template, school management system, and self-grading math quiz. So you can skip this for now, or you can browse all of the templates available. So for me, I'm going to browse all templates available. So click on the button and wait for it to load. And I guess you can see right here, here are all the templates, and here are the filters that you could choose from. So let's say personal. So as you can see right here, here are all the personal templates that you could use from. You could use so nap time quiz, family reunion registration, meeting schedule template, link in bio. So let's say you want to use link in bio right here. So click on it, wait for it to load. Now you could check the preview if you want, or you simply use the template. So use template, and you will need to select the template, or I mean your workspace. So I only have one workspace, so I'm gonna use this, and it's now setting up your project. You just simply need to wait. So we will be brought right here. So there's an option to just view your form, or you could edit it out. So I'm gonna click on edit form and just simply wait for it to load. And as you can see, I'm now brought here on the editing page. So here you could upload your cover image. You could change the text right here, which is in the link in bio. You could change your title. So here you could also change the links that you have. So if I click on it, you could edit this out. So let's say I want to remove the website, or let's say I want to add Facebook. And as you can see, the embed is gone. So what you want to do is simply click on it. So highlight the text and click on this link icon right here and add the link that you want to embed to the text right there. And you could also change the logic right here. So please publish your changes to continue. So you will need to publish your changes first before you can go on and go to the logic section. And let's say here, enter your email. So basically every field has different editing options. So if I go right here on the title, and if I go here on this section, so as you can see, the editing parts are different on every section that we have. So if I go to email, it's different. If I go to this part, it's different. If I go to this part, so it's the same with this. But for title, it's also the same. So this one and this part is, or basically has different editing options. So let's say I want to add a variable right here, or the field. So click on add field here on the top left. So you could add the contact infos. So you could also add some website number, phone number, and email. You could add the choices right here, which is single choice, terms and conditions, multiple choice drop downs, yes and no, and like or dislike, and also a star rating. So let's say I want to add a star rating, and it will automatically bring it down here. And if you want to move a particular field, you just simply need to hover to the left side right here and just simply drag it right there. Let's say I want to drag it right there. So as you can see, it is now a bit changed. And if I click on it right here, so there are new editing options again. You could change the default answer, the max score. You could also make this field required or not. And also here, you could make this field required or not. You'd also add ending pages. So there's automatically an ending pages added right here since you've used a template. And you can also add some variables if you want. So right here, string, formula, decimal, and int. And if you click on Formaloo AI here on the top, you could rewrite for clarity, make it professional, make it friendly, make it concise, make it proofread, and you could also add more questions right here. So let's say I want to make it more professional. So subscribe to my newsletter. So this is what it will look like after you've used the AI. So let's say I want to use this. So I'm going to simply replace it, and boom, it is now been replaced. For the star rating, let's say I also want to improve it, make it more professional. So just simply wait for the AI to publish it. And as you can see, customer satisfaction rating. Click on replace. And now it is set. You could also change the design if you want. So click on design. You could change the colors, the layout. So you could center it. You could put it on top. You could also set it to classic form or one question at a time if you want. So there are pages if you do that. But I'm going to go with classic form. You could also add Google fonts or other fonts right here. Background image brightness, and the corners right here. So let's say I want to change the corner roundness, just like that. It also show form title, shuffle the order of choices, and you could also add a custom code right here if you want. So this is not required. You won't need to know how to code to edit out the designs right here. This is only optional if you do know some coding. And here you could also change your email notifications. So if you click on receive email notifications, you could enable or disable that, and also send email to respondents. You could enable or disable that. And here are the conditional emails and the integrations that you could add. Now, once you're done editing out your form, you could check the preview right here. So click on view, and it will redirect you, or it will open up a new tab. And this is it. This is what it will look like. Now, once everything is done, you just simply need to click on publish right here and wait for it to be published. And after it is done, you just simply need to click on share right here. So if you click on share, you could copy the link and send it to anywhere. You can also customize your link if you want, but you will need to have the premium plan to have access to it. And here also the access management, you could add a new member by putting on the email address. And you could also embed it right here, embed link, iframe script, and chatbot. So once we're all done, I'm just gonna go back to the home page. So once done, let's check out the project that we made. So I'm gonna go right here, and there's an option to check the responses and the charts and insights right here on the left side. So I'm gonna go to the charts and insights section. So if no one have answered your form yet, of course, there will be no analytics and insights for that particular form. But if someone have already answered, you will see all of the data, information, analytics of the form you have made right here on the charts and insights section. So now let's look at the pricing. So for my active plan right here, I was using the free plan. And for the pro plan, which is $12 a month, you could have all the features in the free plan, plus remove the Formaloo branding, access to Formaloo AI, 5,000 monthly form submissions, 50,000 records per base, 2,000 external members per app, 2 GB of cloud storage, webhook API and SDK access, premium integrations and accept payments. Now for the team plan, which is the most popular one, you could have it or avail it for $29 a month. So it's 45% off. So we will have all the features in the pro plan, plus remove the formal branding, 3 admins included, unlimited free guests and AMP clients, 20,000 monthly form submissions, unlimited records per base, unlimited custom domains, custom CSS and JS, 10 GB of cloud storage, unlimited external members, and instant backup. And you could also add more seats for only $9 a month. And for the enterprise plan, you will need to contact the sales team to basically have a price for it, but it includes all of the features in team plus unlimited workspaces per organization, SAML, SSO, and user provisioning, HIPAA compliance, AI powered compliance surveys, AI powered A to B testing, product research suite, dedicated success manager, dedicated infrastructure, and add-on professional services. And if you want to see the comparison for every plan, just simply click on see comparison right here, and it will bring you to this page. So you will see all the plans and pricing right here. So this is basically the more detailed pricing. So you could pay monthly or yearly by just simply clicking on the button right here. And if you want to see the comparison, just scroll down. And as you can see right here, you will see every feature on each plan. So you could compare the plans and features right there. So all the way up to the very last feature right here, which is priority support. And that's basically it for this video, guys. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this with someone who might also find this video helpful. So that's basically it, and I'll see you on the next one.